It's Friday, June 25th, 2010, and I'm starting to feel like the RSOE official reporter here. I got an update from the RSOE Emergency and Disaster Information Service on the biological hazard in Louisiana. Situation update number 19. I'll post it all below. It starts. One issue we have read about recently is very elevated methane levels in dissolved seawater near where the oil and gas mixture are currently escaping in the Gulf of Mexico. Approximately 40% of the oil-gas mixture that is escaping is natural gas. It is some of the natural gas, which is mostly methane, that seems to be dissolving in the water. The most recent reports on this issue is from John Kesseler, professor of oceanography at Texas A&M University. Reports that near the surface levels of methane are normal, but below approximately 1,000 meters, the concentration of natural gas methane in the ocean waters jumps by a factor of 1 million. In other areas, methane concentration are 100,000 times normal levels. The microorganisms that feed on the methane can use up part of the oxygen in the area, and if this happens to a great enough degree, can create dead zones. At this point, there seems to be some oxygen depletion, but not enough to cause a dead zone, according to Kessler. At some locations, we saw depletions of up to 30% of oxygen based on its natural concentration in the waters, and other places we saw no depletion of oxygen in the waters at all. We need to determine why that is. Earlier in June, a team of scientists led by Samantha Joye of the University of Georgia also found high methane concentration in some areas, farther from where the rig is originally located. She spoke of methane levels of 10,000 times background levels. Her discussions were in the context of oil and gas plumes. She mentioned reduced oxygen levels as well, which are still being studied. This seems to be a story that is still developing. Teams of scientists are still analyzing the data, and more information will be announced in the next weeks or months. BP scientists are analyzing the data. So throw it out there when you find it.